First, we're gonna clean our mess. So we need to tuck it this, guys. We need to close it. Black and yellow too. We need to close it tightly. Because if you don't close it tightly, it can spill and it can make a mess. We are the blue and now it's orange. We need to seal it up bit careful. Seal it like this and 1, 2, 3. And next we need to seal white. What is the white? What? I find white. Now we're gonna seal it now. The white. We need to seal it carefully. Guys, I have to say something. My camera cut suddenly. I don't know why it cut suddenly. So guys, we're gonna put it here. We're gonna put it carefully. It's so satisfying to see that we are putting it in it. Look. Oh. If my grammar isn't correct, tell me if it's not correct. I'm gonna close it. Oh, look. Oh. It fits through. Now we need to click. We need to do this like this. Make it. I don't know. I'm to make it sure that it's okay. Oh. So guys, it's gonna fall. Oh my god! Where is my rig? Oh, I think it's my sister. It's not mine. Bye bye. I'm gonna throw it like that. Now we're gonna close it. But how to close it? Oh, like this? I don't know what this. I don't know how to close it. No, I close it, guys. Oh, this is how to close it, like this. Then we're gonna put this in that. First this. We need to put this in the table. One by one. First we're gonna put it down. We need to put the one and we need to put the last one. If you want to buy like this, buy in HBIV. It have many colors. And have a type of it have a many type of colors. Then I forgot. We need to put the brushes inside of this. Forgot. Oh, first we need to clean this mess. Ew. Then we're gonna we're just gonna throw this liquid, then wash it. Ew. I don't like this one. We're gonna brush this one brush. We need to wash this carefully because it can be tanggal-tanggal in Tagalog. Yeah. We need to continue washing it. Did you know this is the most useless ever brush I see? This is plastic. This is not good. It's not a brush. It's just a plastic. How is that? I dropped it accidentally. It's plastic. It's not good for painting. Do not use it. It's so ugly. Ugly. So after that, we're gonna wash it again. And wait for, just wait that. After that, I'm gonna just put it in my temple, in my painting brush. Bye.